As the pace of product innovation accelerates, the line between a traditional audio-video product and an IT equipment is blurring with every passing month. With this background, the IEC 62368, covering safety requirements of audio, video, information and communication technology equipment, and business and office machines was published. This standard will replace IEC 60950 and IEC 60565. IEC 62368 is a new type of standard and not a revision of the legacy standards. IEC 62368 will change the safety evaluation of a product from the design stage to final testing and certification. As a hazard-based standard, evaluating the product for safety during the design stage is emphasized. Identification of hazards and deciding what type of safeguards will be used is an important aspect. Because some regions of the world have not adopted IEC 62368, it is advised for manufacturers to check the requirements for their intended markets. TÜV Rheinland can offer IECEE CB Scheme test report and certification for both the new standard and legacy standards to help manufacturers in this transition stage. To gain more details about IEC 62368 certification, contact TÜV Rheinland.